Hi, as I demonstrated in class earlier, we are in particle illusion. You can click and see how it works over here. And if you double click on it, it should come here. Now you can play and see how it's working. If you want to move it frame by frame, you can move it. You have to click on with your left mouse button. If you don't want to move it, you can just go to render, click over here, and import it to your folder. So let me switch on the auto key and let's see what it can be done if you want to move it. So you click on maybe the frame 20 and you start moving it. Then you go to 40, you start moving it, maybe 50. So if you rewind it and play, you can see it's moving. So once you have done that, whether you want it static or you want it to move, you can click on the render with your left mouse button. So here you see particle illusion rendering dialog box or windows. So you don't have to do much here. Make sure you browse here and define where you want it to go. So I'm going to my asset folder for basic multimedia and give it a name. Okay. And that is where it's going to go. Make sure that you save it in such a way that it is as an MP4 file. So here you have other options for movie file, QuickTime movie file, ISO, MP4. So keep it to ISO MP4 file. Your resolution, you can click here. HDTV default is fine. 180 by 1920. You can shrink it because you'll be just using the particle. And it says width and height. And it's the same thing that is showing over here. You don't need to make any major changes. You just have to go and start rendering. These are Kodak, which we, basically you don't have to do much on it. There are many types of Kodak, but here because it's a PC, it gives you a defined Kodak. So just click on this and it will start rendering. It will make a noise. So if I just now open up and click on this, you can see a particle illusion is there. Now you can go back if you don't like it. You can go back and readjust the space. You can press the space bar to play or pause. and then you can re-render it. Because your presets, whatever you've decided, you don't need to make many changes. So you can see into the rendering. Once you have done that, you can bring it into After Effects, and the next video would be how to bring it into After Effects and work with After Effects. Hope that helps. Thank you.